Welcome to the Cube custom built PC configurator. It's been designed to make sure the parts you select are all compatible. You can start your build the way you want. For example, if you would like to select the graphics card first, then the cases you will be shown thereafter will all fit with the card. But let's start with the case. We list cases in 4 sizes: mini, small, standard and large, to help you find the right size for you. If you need to know the dimensions or any extra information about any of the products on the configurator, you can click on the picture or the text. You can also do this after the part has been selected. After you've selected your case, you'll be given the option to add additional fans. Most cases come with 1 or more fans pre-fitted. Any additional fans will be added to these. The description below the case title will list included fans, USB ports and cooler support. We offer the full range of AMD and Intel CPUs. All of the parts on the configurator are based on stock availability, so if you can't see the product that you're looking for, it may be out of stock. Once you have the CPU, you can then select a cooler. The case you have selected will limit the cooler options that you see. For example, the case selected may only support 120mm liquid coolers, and the air coolers are below the height restrictions. We also have the option to use the standard cooler that comes with the processor. Moving on to the motherboard, you will see a large range. As you can see, the case selected has limited the options to only boards that are compatible with the case. The motherboard is a very important part of your PC. It will determine future upgrades that you can add, and you will also see less expensive boards that support less memory and at lower speeds. Again, if you click on the part you're interested in, you will see the full specification. You may see that we have a few different icons next to each of the products: recommended, RGB and overclocking. Our recommended icon shows our most popular products. These are our best sellers and recommended by our team. RGB parts support standard RGB lighting parts like fans and light strips. Overclocking parts are best suited for CPUs that support this feature. It allows you to get more performance out of your PC, but the level of overclocking will depend on the part selected. We have given parts a rating. If you select our overclocking service, our engineers will get the best performance they can out of the parts you've selected. Apart from the amount of memory that you require, you will be given options for different speeds. Both of these will affect the performance of your PC. Select the option that best suits your budget and requirements. When you decide on the memory that you want, you can also select the quantity. We feature the full range of AMD and Nvidia products. These include GeForce and Radeon cards for gaming and Quadro and Radeon Pro cards specifically designed for workstation applications. We also include the option for you to install your current graphics card, or if the processor includes an onboard graphics, you can select this option too. This gives you hard drive options including the latest M.2 SSD drives for the best performance possible, as well as standard hard drives to save all of your files to. We recommend an M.2 or a standard SSD for Windows 10, and then a second hard drive for all of your files. After you select a drive, you can then select to add an additional drive. You will also see we include an option for you to fit your own drive separately. If you select this option, we will wire all of the required cables, making it easier for you to fit once you receive your PC. The rest of the process of selecting parts works in exactly the same way. If you try to add your build to the basket and have missed any required parts, the configurator will let you know what you've missed. If you need any help or have any questions, the Get Help button has all of our contact information present. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any suggestions to make the Cube custom PC configurator even better, then please let us know.